it did this. Since my bolts were a little bit wrong, I had a collar out to here. And I ended up putting nuts on the end of these bolts, because the other ones were longer. I was going to go for these, but this disappears. This has no way to screw into the starter base. So it needed a nut no matter what, or a different bolt. It's going to move us to the solenoid, and this is the easiest remove and replace. Did that on the battery already. Took off that. Gonna take off this one and just drop on the new one. And if you've only got one prong here, don't be buying the ones with two prongs. Get the one with one prong. Just look around the internet a little bit more and you'll find them. This came from O'Reilly. So we're going to take this nut off, put on the battery cable or the ground cable that's right here. Take this one off, put on the battery cable, and then this guy will just go like that. And if things went well, everything will work. Alright, this cable on the positive side is just busted in half. To add it to the list. That. I know there's a leak over here. Either the power steering pump because it whines when you turn the steering wheel, or the gas line. For right now, I'm gonna put these back and then guess what time it is. And I'm gonna let it sit all through the snowstorm that's coming for the next couple days. Alright, so I got two wires that are hooked together on the post with the battery side. If you bought this, and this again came from O'Reilly, came with all these nice guys, but these two nuts, these two bolts, did not come with in the package. Don't lose those suckers.
So 12th of April. Gotta wait out the snowstorm. Shouldn't be but a couple days. I know this week's supposed to be cold.
Can't forget my favorite block. The log with the handle. I ain't seen that power steering lead get bigger, but what I did find was this puddle of gas sitting on the manifold here, which would explain why this thing was always smelling like gas when you drove it around. Hook up the fuel line again, see if I can get rid of that gas leak. And I thought it was this guy, because I felt under there and there's a bunch of gas there, but it's just leaking from here, which is good news. So I didn't want to do that again. Alright, turns out if you got an urge to tighten that too tight, you just spin it right off. I'll leave you with some aluminum to get out of there. I'm just going to jam a screwdriver in there and see if I can't spin that out. Winter just doesn't want to let go. What's today? It's the 16th of April. And it's hanging in there. That's alright. Tomorrow's supposed to be 50. '50's not bad. Didn't have any swinging room with the hammer. I'm gonna go ahead and try to twist it out now. It seems like it's pretty good in there. Hope I didn't jam it into anything that float ball that's gonna matter. I just grabbed an extension. Gave me some room to get the end of that so I could swing it with the hammer. Sticks in there pretty tight now. Hope it's gonna come out.